County, these are the two men now on the Crystal Rogers case. Represented Steve Lawson. The attorneys are not from Bardstown and tell us they were just handed the case 48 hours ago. And thanks for joining us here at 4. I'm Connie Leonard. Steve Lawson is charged with conspiracy to commit murder and tampering with physical evidence. Just 2 weeks ago, he fired his attorney, accusing him of working with Brooks Houck's attorneys behind his back. Shay McAllister and photojournalist Jessica Farley report from Bardstown.
Stephen Lawson has two new faces representing him in this court case. One is from Lexington, the other is from Louisville. Both are private attorneys hired by the public defender's office to give him the best representation possible. And today they're telling us 48 hours on this job, they already think they won't be ready for a February trial. Stephen Lawson led the way into the courtroom with his two brand new attorneys behind him, eagerly waiting to find out what this means for the case. Sherry Ballard and her family sat just feet away, and they didn't have to wait long. His new attorney, Darren Wolf, based in Louisville, made it clear the timing could change.
I am not 100% positive that we are going to be prepared to try the case at the time period that this court currently has scheduled for that.
He's referring to the February trial date, now just 6 months away.
I think this probably shouldn't surprise anybody. We literally just got appointed to this thing. So we've been given 2 terabytes of information, which clearly is more than most cases. And the investigation in this case is strung on for an extensive period of time.
Off camera, members of the Ballard family tell us it's disappointing. They've waited years for justice already, and they aren't the only ones hoping the delay won't be long. The judge says with 3 people sitting in jail, a timely trial date is critical. The next court date has been set for October the 4th. It is on that day we could be finding out if we will have 3 separate trials or one trial with all 3 defendants together. In Nelson County, I'm Shay McAllister, WHAS 11 on your side.
And we still don't know where this trial will ultimately be held. The attorneys and prosecutors have previously suggested Christian County on the Tennessee border. That's 150 miles away from Bardstown, but the judge has not agreed to that yet.